Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can adjust the playback speed of the TikTok video that you watch. So here I've already opened my TikTok, and here is the my For You page. And to adjust the playback, so for example you watch a tutorial, a recipe that you want to create, you can adjust the playback speed so that you can watch the video carefully. So first, what you need to do is just long press on the clips or the video. Then this will pop up and you can see this playback speed option. So you can just click on that, and there will be four options. There is 2.0, 1.5 seconds or times, and also 0.5. So I'm going to choose 2.0. So it will speed up like this, and if you want to make it slower you can just choose the 0.5. okay, like that. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.